At the Minnesota Horse Expo? Yeah. The fairground.
Was that fun?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, if you like horses, after a while, it's all horses. So. They did have a little petting area.
About them.
So, it starts out with a big, in the arena there's a breed show, so they bring in the different breeds of horses, and it's like a 3-hour thing, but you can stay or go, and it's free, once you're taken in. So they bring in like the Arabians, and then and I stayed until I could see the Shire horses. Those are my favorite. So
What are they like?
They make a Clydesdale look like
Here, let's move that to the middle of the living room.